Hello there everyone, this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Felix, and on this channel I help people learning how to code and computer science students complete their degrees. So if you like this video, like this one that can help you in your journey as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, then click on the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also, click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload. So today we're going to continue the series of Introduction to the Julia programming language. It's going to be the third installment, and today we're going to talk about if-else statements. So let's get to it. So we open the Atom text editor like we did last time, and before we get to it, I'm going to show you how to do multi-line comments, because I showed you on the last video how to do single-line comments. It's very simple. You just type in a hashtag equals, then equals and a hashtag. And you can type as many things comments here compared to what we did last time, which was the single line comments, which was this is a single line comment. So we run it, it runs, no problemo. So we go ahead and so you can see a difference. You type something outside the single line comment. So this should not run. There you go. So whatever we type here is not defined. So now we just take this off, and if we want to go ahead and clear this, you just do this. Just if you're in a Mac, you do Control plus L. That's going to clear the console for you. Just press the Control key and the L key. There you go. We're clearing it out for you. So let's get to it. So as a refresher, for those that are beginning learning how to code, an if-else statement essentially looks like this. So if the condition here is true, oops, sorry about that, then we can put statements here, execute the statements inside the if block. Right? Else, if the condition is false, then execute, just instead of typing all that stuff, you just put execute the statements inside the else block. And when I say if block, I mean everything that is between the if word and the else word. So we can have a lot of statements. We can go ahead and copy and paste this. They have to be valid statements, of course. All right? And go as much as you want. And the same here. So essentially, that's how an if-else statements work. If the condition that you have here, when you execute the program, is true, then you can run all the statements that are between the if word and the else word. Then they're going to be executed. If not, if the condition is false, then everything here is going to be executed. So that's why these are if-else statements, are also called decision structures, because they make decisions. So if a condition is true, then you do whatever's inside here. If it's false, you do whatever's inside here. So that's how it works. So let's do a simple example to put this concept into action, and also to show you how you do it on the Julia programming language. And it's pretty simple. So let's declare a variable, and we're going to say, let's talk about grades, and let's say that you have a 90, right? If your grade is less, is less than 90, and just say else print the grade is not an A. Because to have an A, it has to be between 90 and 100. Else, you have an A. Just to make it real simple. And to go ahead and close this statement in the Julia programming language, you need to put the word end. You see it turns purple right here, and it works. So there you go. Space. Oh, I need to remove the space between the println and the statement right there. It's going to perfect. So clear the console. There you go. So you have an A because our grade is 90. So if we go ahead and we say it's greater than 90, we still, let's see, you have an A because it's equal to 90. So essentially that's how it works. You just evaluate the condition here. If it's true, then you just run whatever's inside between the if word and the else word. And if it's false, then you just print out or run whatever is inside between the else block and the end word right here. So let's go ahead and modify this example so you can see more concepts, and it's pretty simple. Let's say that we want to know now what grade did you have. So if it's between 90 and 100, then you have an A. If it's between 80 and 89, then you have a B. And if it's between 70 and 79, then you have a C. And so on for the other grades. So to do that in the Julia programming language, this is what you do. If the grade is greater than 90, and this is the AND operator, the grade is less or equal to 100, your grade is an A. So you have an A. Then you have an A. Else, but now we're going to add another condition, else if the grade is greater than 80 and the grade is less or equal to 9, then we'll just we're going to say between less than 90, then you have a B. So now we do the same thing. And this has to be greater or equal than 80. Because if it's an 80, you have a B. So, but if it's an 89, you still have a B, but if it's a 90, this is not going to be true, so it's going to be, because if you have a 90, you have an A, so that's why. So if grade is, we're going to do the same thing for the C, grade equal 70, and grade is less than 80, well, then you have a C. You have a C. Let's copy and paste this for the D. For the letter D grade. It's going to be greater than or equal to 60. less than 70, so you have a D. Else, you have an F, then you don't pass the course. You don't pass the course. So let's go ahead and run this. In the console. Real quick, there you go. Okay, so let's see. You don't pass the course. Okay, yes. Because we need to have an equal here. Now it should run. You have it. There you go. Because we had to add an equal here, so it will be equal to 90. Then, because the grade's between 90 and 100, then you have an A. So now let's say change this to 75. Let's see what we get. You have a C. Now let's put, because it's between 70 and 80. So if we do 65, you have a D. And let's say we have a 20. Then you don't pass the course. So there you have it, guys. That's how if those statements work in the Julialang programming language. This was just a very simple example of what you could do. But basically, it's just typing the conditions and evaluating them and using the word if, and if you want to add more conditions, just put else if, and after you finish all the conditions, you just type the word end, and that's how it works. If you like this video, guys, click on that like button, that thumbs up button. Also, if you would like more videos like this one to help you in your journey learning how to code, or as a computer science student, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also, click on the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload. And also, if you would like to support the channel, I have some links on the description, which you can do so. In a few ways, I'm going to put that on the description. Also, if you would like some book recommendations, then I'm going to put that on the description as well. And you can purchase one of those books and also send affiliate links, so that will help the channel as well. And if you want to learn how to code in Julia by using a book, I'm going to put it right there. Also, share this video with a friend who might need it, who is learning how to code in Julia, and this way we can help more people. So I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you for the support and have a great day. Take care.